Sadie likes cheese puffs. You want your cheese puff? Can you sit? Sadie, sit. You want that cheese puff? All gone. All gone. You lick my fingers? It's so cute. It's so skinny. Goodness. Look at those hip bones sticking out. Come here. Want some more? Want some more? Good girl. Another one? Good girl. You're cute.